Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your hardware wallet to MetaMask. First, ensure your hardware wallet's firmware is fully updated for optimal security and compatibility. Then, physically connect your hardware device to your computer using its USB cable. This initial step is crucial for MetaMask to recognize your wallet properly. Make sure the connection is stable before proceeding to the next steps in the process.
To begin, you'll need 1½ cups of rolled oats, which are essential for texture. Then, measure out 1 cup of all-purpose flour and 1/2 cup of brown sugar for sweetness. Don't forget 1/4 cup of melted butter, a crucial binding agent. You'll also need a splash of milk and a teaspoon. First, in a large bowl, whisk together your dry ingredients until well combined. In a separate bowl, mix all the wet ingredients, including the milk and vanilla, until smooth. Now, gradually pour the wet mixture into the dry ingredients, stirring until just combined. Avoid overmixing. Finally, scoop and roll the dough into small, uniform balls, ready for baking. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Place your cookie dough balls onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Bake for 12 to 15 minutes, or until the edges are golden brown. Once baked, let them cool on the sheet for a few minutes before transferring to a wire rack to cool completely. Enjoy your delicious eggless oat cookies.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.